Hey guys, so we're here. Hi. So, promised a vlog for the vlogging.
I'm tired of already.
We're tired, guys. It was such a saga because we were overweight. We are attempting to go to travel with just personal item and carry on. This is my personal item. We're traveling with Copa Airlines, so we're on our way to Peru, but we have to lay over in Panama. I had to put back some things in the car. Every time we fly with Copa, it's always such a good experience because customer service is really, really good. But also I'm packing, like we're so strict. I don't know if am I still strict?
Not possible.
I am strict. But yeah, I'm not checking a bag. Catch up with you guys. Krispy Kreme. I'm gonna sit and eat this. Yeah, we need to rent one of them. This is us. We're on time.
So how was the trip?
Not bad. So this is our apartment for the night. Time is wrong. It's now 12. Hey guys, so I'm just jumping in right here, this portion of the vlog, because I wanted to do a little voiceover and let you guys know that we were not happy with this Airbnb at all. We were walking through and it looked gorgeous and we were happy until we realized that there was no air conditioning. So imagine we had been traveling since 12 noon and we arrived at the Airbnb at about midnight, so that was a long day of traveling to find out there was no air conditioning. And let me tell you, Lima was hot. The highest it went was about 27 degrees Celsius, so that night was very much unbearable for us and we were so miserable. On top of that, there was no fan to offset the heat either. The bathroom was really noisy because the wind, there's a contraption that kind of pumps the air and circulates the air in the bathroom that most Airbnbs and hotels have. That was so noisy and unbearable. So I think that AC is just a basic amenity that should be in every Airbnb, but that's just me. So I will not be sharing where exactly this is, not promoting it or anything, but if you care to stay here, if AC is not an issue for you, if being hot is fine, if weird smells is fine, if a noisy bathroom is fine, you can definitely check this Airbnb out. You can DM us on Instagram, the country edit Xoxo, and we can share the link with you so that you can book this place. But it's beautiful. I mean, look here, but this is a plaza. What the plaza name again? I remember the name. No, so oh yeah, open. It's an open plaza, so you have like a bunch of stuff, food places there. It's called Open Plaza. Yeah. We had breakfast right there and now we're gonna go. We're waiting for the bank to open so we can change to Solace, but we're gonna go to the supermarket and get some stuff because our Airbnb doesn't have anything in there. Well, we're moving Airbnbs today, so that's good. So, bienvenido. Yeah, we should get one of these. We need to stock up on some stuff. It's giving progressive vibes.
No, this is not giving no progressive vibes.
Progressive in Ocherios. This car is 349 soles, which is about $90, 90 US dollars. Yo, that's crazy. That's a good price. Prime fruits. We're gonna get a few.
Mango,
Maracuja,
orange and
passion, yeah. Orange and carrot. Oh. Yeah, sure. Okay. There's a KFC inside this Now that's a supermarket. I think I'm gonna take this black guy home with me. We are so hot.
This is the smallest taxi I've ever been in. Would you do this again?
Yeah, well.
No.
Myself.
You know, I love the AC, so. Hello, hello.
So we are here at Museo. Gracias. Ooh, muy bonita. This is really pretty. I should have dressed better. I'm going to get tickets now. Wow. Oh, there's a restaurant. So the restaurant is that way. Let me get tickets that way. Ready? So this gentleman is getting all of the important shots of this gorgeous place. So yeah, this is beautiful. I would love a courtyard. Storage. Oh, it's cool in here. So guys, this is where you enter, and it's cool. Oh, AC, because guys, it's very hot. It's very hot today. This is amazing. Yeah, so it's a lot of, so they have it in translations. So you can see really Jamaican, you can see English, you can see Spanish, you also have French. I've seen Chinese as well, Mandarin. So it's actually a really cool place to visit if you're able to, because you get to see a lot of history. You can have a guided tour, or you can set your own pace. Very nice. So see, you can read at your own pace in Spanish, English, French. This is German. Yeah, that's French, but I don't know. This one Hakeem would have to tell me. I'll just write it here what it is, but if anybody can pick up, I really apologize. But you can kind of really go through at your own pace and see everything. It's really, really cool. And very, this is the part of travel that's most important. Just at least acknowledging the history of the place that you visit, because there's a lot to learn. So you have to make time for that. Yeah. Obsessed with the jewelry. Sorry. And I'm obsessed with everything. Amazing. And of course they have place is definitely a must visit if you are in Lima looking for something to do. Yeah. Wow. The whole weight of my luggage, yeah, because I was overweight. This place is just too... Yo, if you had a wedding here, babe, can we come back to Peru and get married again? Wouldn't that be so nice though? Let's fly out the whole family. Yeah. This is what we saw on the Google reviews. So we're gonna go and see. This is what you what's what you found. Gallery Erotica. So I feel like I'm going into a place where some stuff's going down. Wow. You're hot? Yeah. This is very sexual, guys.
Guys, real-time update. I had to do this update right as it happened. So guys, real-time update. And you can see we're still here at this beautiful place. So we just decided to just check again
For a tour that we have tomorrow.
Well, we thought we had it tomorrow. So we were just saying alright, we need to head home or head back so that we can just settle in and get ready for tomorrow. And this one right
planning
here.
our night as well because we want to do something tonight. And Hakima saying we forget to bed by at least 11 and so we could just double check. This trip was planned very last minute, you know. We planned this trip in probably 4 days, 5 days. So we're just here sitting and we check the dates. Me and a book date sitting for the 18th. And we have a flight to Cusco on the 18th. And this tour that we have is a whole day tour, so we'll reach back the apartment that we're staying at about 11, after 11 at the night. So would I miss the flight? I don't know. Just God make.
I mean, would have missed the trip? Would have got to the flight?
Would I have it?
Would have missed the trip? Yeah. So.
No, but no, the flight actually No, they're around the same money. Hell. But so we have to literally say big ups to Peru Hop because they just emailed us back. We messaged them quickly.
15 minutes ago.
15 minutes ago. Within a 15-minute period, we just sorted out everything. They emailed us back and said no problem, we'll change it because one of their policies as well. They're like, oh, if you plan to do anything, if you're doing a go with the flow type of trip, no worry, just let us know a day in advance so we change the date. So they changed the date and we're going tomorrow now, thankfully, which we were supposed to go tomorrow. Yeah,
this trip has been filled with so much ups and downs.
So much ups and downs. This is gonna be a story time type of trip.
Yeah.
But if we go sit down, probably when we reach Cusco when it's cooler, cause guys, Lima hot.
It is hot.
Right now my hair is down, but I've had it up the whole time. It's hot.
Yeah.
And in the apartment we're staying at, extra hot. But you know what?
As Jamaicans, we should be used to this, but I'm not.
No, sir. Jamaicans are used to the heat, but we're bougie. We don't like hot. Even if we live in a tropical place, we want to be cool. Yeah. That's pretty much it. So we wanted to go to this restaurant, by the way. It's really beautiful. But as you can see, we're not really dressed for that.
Yeah, we weren't planning.
They said that we could. But
we don't feel good.
We don't feel right.
We don't want to dress up. Nice. And I see somebody coming in shorts and sitting there,
Exactly. I'd be like, where are they?
Sure, man. Yeah. Probably we can come back next time when we're fully dressed in our necessary attire and everything.
I don't even know how probable that is because we're going to a different municipality.
No, man. We can come back to Peru next time. Yeah. I like Peru.
Yeah.
It's nice. I fit in.
That's pretty much just a little update. So love that. Okay, so we just checked into our second Airbnb. Yeah, so we just checked into our second Airbnb, and this one is a lot better for us. The view is amazing. It's nicer. So it is in Barranco, which is another area in Lima. So we've kind of been hopping around. So the last place we're gonna stay in is in Miraflores. So this place, this building that we're in is really nice. We're gonna explore the building as well. But yeah, before we get into that, I'm craving fruit. So I'm gonna wipe off the counter because even if I clean it, we still have to clean myself, yeah. Also need to wash the fruit. So wipe off the counter. Yeah, I can't just be operating with just a supposedly clean counter. I have to wipe it myself. We went to a supermarket called, what supermarket called again? We bought a bag. Yeah, Totos. Went to that supermarket, and it's kind of like if you're from Jamaica, if you're watching from Jamaica, it's set up like a progress. I thought it looked like a progressive, but like better, with like a little price smart vibe, because they have like better than, what am I saying? Progressive. It's like a progressive, or like a high low, but better because it has clothing in there. So I guess it's like a mega mart. Anyway, I bought some fruit there. I think in total we spent $34 for some shirts. I bought a shirt. I bought 2 sports bras. We bought fruit, dragon fruit included, and grapes and all that stuff. And we also bought a bunch of waters. And what else, Poppy? Yeah, that's pretty much it. But in total, everything came up to $34, which in Jamaican is like 5,000 Jamaican dollars. And if you're in Jamaica, you can't even get, this bag of grape was $2. So just goes to show you that coming here, like the plane ticket is expensive, but once you're here, it's good. I mean, in general, we don't consider ourselves like budget travelers, but we do have a budget when we travel, and we try to, if we don't exceed it, that's always good. So yeah, just so you know, that's about Peru. And this is fresh fruit. We also bought cold pressed juice. I'm gonna show you the fruit that we got. It looks like an apple. Doesn't it look like an apple? But it's called a Kim's. So I'm gonna try that for my first time trying it. And so I bought 2 different types of dragon fruit. And I also bought a mango, which just says a Kent mango, but this looks like, I don't know what type of mango this is also, but it looks like a John Bellyful mixed with Julie. Yeah. So guys, we are at a little market. We're trying to find somewhere to eat before we go and watch a water show. We are walking through like a crowd, like it's set up like along with like a different places to eat at. Come in and come back. See, gracias. Football. So we're trying to. Oh, we're trying to. Oh, no gracias, no gracias. We're trying to like find somewhere to eat, but we're walking and everybody's out there trying to like get us to stop and eat.
It looks like everybody sell the same thing.
Sell the same type of food.
Yeah, like it's a club match.
Yeah.
I see a lot of them in jerseys down there.
Yeah. There's a football match going on over there. When we pass, it's so festive. We should be over there, isn't it, your babe? Oh, okay.
They were very persuasive.
Very, like,
yeah.
It's like lined up the person, just like telling you to come. So we just say, alright, you know what, them all serve the same. Them all serve the same thing. So, you start feel tired now? The guys I left, I went to the bathroom, come back, and there's like this. The guy says it's similar to maracuja, which is passion fruit, but it is like what I eat to me.
So usually it's corn.
Yeah, it's huge.
But
I
you're
love
using
horse.
a knife and a fork to eat.
Listen,
I what?
that's just how I eat.
What's this so far?
It's not bad. I think the flavoring.
Horsey.
Well, horse. Oh, the portion is huge.
It is huge.
And I have another thing coming. So now I know.
Take up the skewer and eat it.
Hey guys, so I just want to jump in here and put a little disclaimer over this video. So we were trying some different flavors. It was our first time in Peru, so we had to get used to the way the food is seasoned, the way the food is flavored, everything. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with the flavoring and the way they cook their food. However, for us, it was just a little bit of a culture shock. We weren't used to the flavors. We are very much used to our Caribbean flavorings and style of cooking. So it was just a little bit of getting used to for us. And throughout the other videos that we're going to be posting, you will notice that we'll make comments about the food, but we mean no disrespect at all. Everything was seasoned the way they season the food, and we go to a country to experience new flavors, and sometimes it takes a little bit of time to get used to things.
Hey, that's crazy. Him.
This is why when I go anywhere, I order appetizer. Okay, so we are now at Circuito Mágico del Agua. Ready to go see the water, babe?
Yes.
We just had something to eat. Well, I am so hungry. I mean, guys, we're very picky when it comes on to food, and at this point, I mean, everything else is nice. Everybody is so friendly and nice, but the flavors are not flavors I'm used to. I think but the flavors are not what I'm used to. I think because we're Jamaican food seasoned a different way. So there's nothing wrong with the flavors. I'm not saying anything against the food or the country or anything like that.
It's just not for you.
It's just not for me. Flavors, they don't hit me the way they should be hitting. Oh, this is so cool. I want to ride on this. Oh, it's just babies. All right. No, it's the people in it. It's a creek though, the big people in it. So this is, you finally get to be here. This guy's been singing on this place for like a few days now. And we're finally here. We get to see the lights. But me walk up on the train though. I think, ooh, I'm feeling the water. This is the coolest I've felt since I've been here.
Yeah, this.
Like, just water.
Such a baby.
I'm happy now. I can't eat apple. It's melted over.
So how is it?
It's candied apple.
It's literally that.
It's sweet.
So we expect it to be sour or fresh? Just stay to that side. This one. It's fun. My ear drop. You good, man. You're good.
Wait, I'm getting wet! Hakeem! Where are you? I'm getting wet! Wait, no, I did not sign up for this! Hakeem! Babe, hurry up! Oh my god! No, wait, hold on. Oh my god. No, I did not. This man. There's a kid for me and I did it in Florida one time.
So beautiful. Is that Jamaica color? Oh.
Yeah, it is. Oh, it's full of like thingy. We're running because we're trying to get to the light show in time.